Hello everyone. So today I was looking at my Jira instance. So I do have like few Jira instances which I use for my testing, my demos, and also to make these videos. Now when I was looking at my Jira instance, I was doing something and I noticed a pop-up, and the pop-up was all about hello Ravi, look at the new free Jira apps. So I clicked on the link and I reached this page where there is a mention about new Jira apps. I believe these new Jira apps are recently uh, released, published on the marketplace, and usually I mean I anyways keep an eye on the new apps on the marketplace. But to be honest, in the last few, especially in the last 1 year, because I have always been focused a lot on Jira Server. I don't really think on Jira Server, or I should say Jira Data Center, there was any. I mean, of course, there are new apps, but I only review an app when I find it interesting. If there is an app which is doing very simple, then I do try to look at it. But if it is too simple, then I would just use script runner, for example. If the app is doing something interesting which I never really encountered before, then I always take a look at it, because there are so many use cases. There are so many things that you can do with Jira, but at the same time, not everything can be done using the native features. Not everything can be done uh, by the existing apps, and people are trying to launch new apps because maybe they want to solve a problem which was never really solved before, or which was probably never really uh, no one thought about that particular problem. So I thought I'll probably take a look at this page, and I believe what Atlassian is doing here is they are trying to maybe promote new apps, I guess, in a way, because I would like my new app to be also listed here. But I guess this page is all about new free Jira utilities, and these are all, I guess, utilities. So so I thought I'll probably give this a try and just take a look at the app. For example, quarter custom field type. I'm not really sure what is the purpose of this. So it says easily build a field with a list of calendar quarters. I am not really sure why you would use this app. Um, so it says here Q1, Q2, and so on. So I guess it's a date field. You can do something with it, but it's a date field, right? Or you can just use a normal select list, I guess. But if it is free, then I guess there is no harm in trying it. And bulk change schemes for Jira. So this can be useful because people are always looking for ways to modify the schemes. So yeah, I can see the use of this. At the same time, get community help for Jira. I am not really sure how this will work, but I believe. Oh, so this app is from Jimmy Ferdon, I guess. So it says search the Atlassian online community directly in Jira. Okay, this is fine. The app will enable users and admin to get the help they need. I'll probably give it a try. This looks interesting and makes sense, to be honest. And my user access manager for Jira Cloud, and my issue people map for Jira Cloud. Okay, let's take a look at both of them. So my Jira user access manager, blah blah blah, manage user access using Jira fields and issues. So what exactly are we doing here? So I'm not really sure, to be honest. I think I know this guy. Anyways, so the app is hosted on Atlassian infrastructure, so stores no personal data. I guess it was built using Forge, I guess so. Maybe all of these apps, because you can definitely build simple apps using Forge utilities. I mean, of course, you can do a bit more as well, but yeah, it seems like this is using Forge. This app offers 3 new custom fields. Okay, so affected user, target group, user management operations. Okay, when reject operation is clicked, a comment will be automatically generated to notify stakeholders. Okay, all right, all right. So I guess so when the run operation is clicked, the affected users will be added, removed to from the target group. All right. Okay, so I guess it is doing something. I'll probably give it a try. It looks interesting. Let us also take a look at the next one. It says my issue people map for Jira Cloud. The app draws a graph containing the list of users related to the current ticket. You no longer have to read all comments or watchers field to check if a user is mentioned or involved in resolving the current ticket. Okay, this can be useful, yeah, because it's a graph. It looks a bit, visual. Definitely, I might also give it a try. What else? So we do have other apps: issue picker, detection for Jira, team season, Alum, test management for Jira Cloud, ticket merger. Okay, viable project creator, project portfolio. So definitely interesting. I think I should also probably build and focus on my apps and make sure I launch them. But it is difficult to find time. I mean, I do try to work on those apps regularly, but of course, you need to spend regular time, and you need some focus. So ALM test management for Jira. The plugin helps Jira users establish visibility into the quality process being managed in ALM Quality Center. Okay. So how does it work? So, I mean, I remember I did something in ALM, this tool, I guess long back, but I'm not really sure if I'll give this a try. But at the same time, it is good to know that there is a new app. So it was, because Atlassian is promoting these apps, so I'm sure these apps are useful. I hope so. And there is this ticket merging issues has never been easier. So how does it work? So when you merge these two issues together, I guess it will create how does it work? Maybe it deletes one, and so it says, let me read. So choose tickets to merge. In this step you will select issues, source of data, and target, and make decisions. Okay, so you will make a decision what you want to do. So I guess it will probably just delete the one, I guess. One priority option from selected users you can choose. Will create new issue or edit existing one. Then in edit view, okay, all right. Okay, link duplicate issues to parent, removing duplicate issues from Jira. Okay, this is definitely interesting. I can see people using it. Definitely useful. So I thought I'll probably today just quickly go through these apps, and then maybe when I get a chance, I'll probably try these apps. So the last one on that page is a viable project creator. Create a Jira project in conference space from an issue transition. Okay, this is interesting. An issue for every project. Okay. All right. Use a template for your conference space. Okay, this could be interesting. I might also give it a try. By the way, if you want to create a project using automation rules, you can. There is a way to do it. Let me also show you that particular video. So if you go to my website, ravisagar.in, and if you go to my courses, Mastering Jira Cloud Automation, I do have one video called Create a Project on Transition. So this is something, so it says here, create a Jira project in conference space from an issue transition. Okay, so I guess this app is basically creating something in Jira and Confluence, but you can also do it using automation, because using automation rules is what you can do when you make a transition. You can actually make a REST call as well. So you can do the same REST call to create a Confluence page. So automation rules can actually do these things. So yeah, overall it looks good. And of course, you can take a look at all the free apps, I guess, on the marketplace. For it, I guess it's also not all the free apps, but I guess they have their free starter package. So for 10 users, you can give them a try. So do give them a try, and because most of these apps, or some of these apps, are actually quite popular. For example, Scriptner for Jira. And by the way, if you want to learn Scriptner for Jira, I do have courses on both Scriptner for Jira on Cloud and Scriptner for Jira on Server. So you can always learn more about it. And by the way, I also, because I make these videos and my videos are always free, but I do have this membership program on my website. So you can go to ravisagar.in or you can go to sparksys.com and you can actually join my channel. The way it works is you can you will get some benefits if you join my channel. You will basically, all the active members will get all my feature books starting from this year for free. The e-version, not the print copy. But the main thing is that if you are a paid member on my channel, you will get a priority response from me, because I do have a service desk. If you want to reach out to me, you can do it using this contact me button. And when you reach out to me, you can, you're basically raising a ticket for me. So I try to respond to people, and I do try to respond to everyone. But if you're a paid member, then I'll add you to a special group, and I'll make sure that you will get a response from me first. So you will definitely get a priority response. I mean, of course, this is not really a support service, so I'm not really going to solve your problems for sure, but I will definitely, I mean, for example, if you ask me a question, I may have an answer for you. It could be a script, it could be pointing you to the right direction, but it's not really going to. I'm not really selling any service here. It is more about if you like my content, if you like my work, and if you want to support my channel, then you can join my Jira Master program. And I mean, it's just a membership program, and you will get these two benefits. But more or less, it is like you supporting my channel. But at the same time, if you want my services, you can go to my website sparksys.com. This is what I do. I provide declaration services, and if you want to hire me or my team for your work, you can reach out to me. And that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about and discuss in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.